Vishnu Gurudevo Meshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah Dhyanamoolam Gurumurti Pujamoolam Gurulpadam Mantramoolam Guruvakya Mokshamoolam Gurukapa Akhandamandalakaram Vyaptamena Characharam Tatpadam Dashitamena Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah Om Bhurvasvargo Devasya Dhime Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Om Gam Ganpate Namah Ganeshaya Namah Om Sanavatu Sano Bhunaktu Saviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidushahe Om Shanti 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 Om Samno Mitrasam Sanvarnaha Samno Bhavatvarema Samnendro Brahaspati Samno Vishnurukramaha Namo Brahmane Namaste Vaya Tumeva Pratyaksham Brahmase Tumeva Pratyaksham Brahma Vadishami Ritam Vadishami Satyam Vadishami Tanmavotu Tadbhaktarmotu Autu Mam Autu Bhaktaram Om Shanti 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 Om Yaschandasamaso Vishwarupaha Chandyavrota Sambhava Samendro Medaya Srunotu Amrutasya Devadharano Bhuyasam Sariram Me Vicharasam Jiva Me Matupta जिह्वा में मतुना कर्णाभ्याम भविष्यम ब्रह्मण कोशो समेहा पीता सुतम मे गोपाय ओम शांति 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 ओम अहम ऋष्यश्च देवी व कीर्ति पुष्टम गिरेरिव ऊर्ध पवित्रो वाजनीय सत्सुखम लोकं सुकृतम सुमेधा अमृतोषितः ईत्रशंको वेदानुवचनम ओम शांति 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 Kindly close your eyes and get ready for the practice of meditation. Keep your eyes gently closed. Keep your spine upright and straight. Adjust your position and feel the body absolutely calm and quiet. Siente calma la tranquilidad. Total awareness of physical body. Feel your body absolutely steady, just like a temple, just like a statue, just like a rock, immobile. Eyes should be closed, smiling face. And withdraw your mind from all worldly distraction. Dando sus cargas mentales emocionales y siente calma y tranquilidad. Total awareness of physical body. And once you feel the body absolutely calm and quiet, cuando siente el cuerpo calmado, tranquilo, relajada, and become over the natural, normal breathing process. Feel your breath natural, normal, and spontaneous. The same prana, the same breath we are taking the moment you born in this world. The same breath you are taking with cautiously. Feel as you breathe in, the cool air is coming, the prana. Exhale the heart going apana. Inhale prana, exhale apana. Inhale courage, inhale willpower, inhale tranquility. Exhale releasing all your worries, preoccupation. Inhale calma, paz, tranquilidad. Exhale dejando todos sus pensamientos burdos de preocupaciones. Feel the breath, feel the prana. When the body is calm and quiet, you can feel the cool air is coming in and you feel tranquility, calmness, serenity. It happens spontaneously. Now concentrate the flow of the left nostril. Feel the breath, only concentrate in the left nostril, Ida Nadi, Manas Shakti, the mental energy. Practice L1 breath with the left nostril. Inhale with the left, exhale with the same L1 psychic breath. Now concentrate only the right nostril, inhale with the right, exhale with the right. Do 11 breath. Left is Ida, right is Pingala. The left is mind, right is body. Feel the cool flow. Left nostril, right heart current, the prana shakti. Inhale with the right, exhale with the same. Now withdraw your awareness and right nostril. Inhale, exhale with the both from a triangle. Let both the breath is meeting in mid eyebrow center, the location of pineal gland. Inhale with the both, exhale with the both. Do 5 breath from a triangle. Generally we take 12 to 30 breath per minute. Inhale with the both, exhale with the both, form a triangle. And this time you feel awaken the Sushumna, Ida, Pingala, Sushumna. Both the nostril, both the breath meet eyebrow center. And then feel the breath is coming up the throat area, Vishuddhi chakra, and going down up to the navel, navel to throat, throat to navel. Ascending breath, navel to throat, descending throat to navel. And practice 21 breath in between navel and throat, using the mantra Soham with Ujjayi breath. Inhale So, exhale Hum. Continue 21 breath. Om Namo Brahma Vidyabhyo Brahma Vidya Sampradaya Kartabhyo Vansa Rishibhye Namo Gurubhye Narayanam Padabham Vasishtam Shaktin Tatpurusham Parasaram Cham Vyasham Shuka Goda Pahatvantam Govinda Yogendra Matata Sisham Sankaracharya Vasam Padavatam Hastamata Sisham Tantrotagam Kartavanya Sudamati Purayam Karunayam Namami Bhagavad Pada Sankaram Sutrabhashe Vande Bhagavate Punna Punna Ishro Guru Meti Murtive Devi Vapina Evot Vyapta Devaya Shidakshina Murte Namah Ishadeve Parabhakti Yata Deve Tata Guru Katate Katayartha Prakashante Mahatmana Om Shanti. Now bring awareness in the heart area. Heart is the seat of soul, the seat of love, seat of bliss. Concentrate heart area, Anahata chakra, and try to visualize steady the blue flame. Just for you blue flame, see the inner light. Few seconds you are able to see it, you feel expansion of consciousness, just like infinite sky, vast ocean. And when you feel the inner light, you may receive the inner vision, inner perception, listening their voice, and you experience, you feel state of bliss, state of unconditional cosmic love, and your nature is Sat Chit Ananda. Sat Chit Ananda. Sat, the truth, Chit, light, Ananda, the bliss. Emerge in the ocean of joy. You may listen to the inner voice of your inner self. Listen to cosmic messages, and you feel, I am that. Aham Brahmasmi. My nature is bliss. My nature is joy. Remain just few minutes, few seconds, and emerge in the ocean of joy. like a sugar emerge in the milk, becomes sweet. Immerse yourself, I-ness, minus, and feel infinite bliss. Anandoham, Anandoham, Anandam Brahmanandam. Anandoham, Anandoham, Anandam Brahmanandam. Anandam Nityanandam, Anandam Atmanandam, Anandam Shivanandam, Anandam Satyanandam. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Sachidananda. Om Sachidananda. Om Sachidananda. Om Sachidananda. Oh Lord, give me peace. Oh Lord, give me joy. Oh Lord, blissful. Oh Lord, merciful. Oh Lord, give me peace. Oh Lord, give me joy. Oh Lord, give me peace. Oh Lord, give me joy. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tassat. Hari Om. Open and eyes. Thank you. Hari Om. Our nature is peace. Our nature is joy. Infinite peace is within us. Joy is within us, constantly peace. Peace resides within you the moment you born. Each breath, peace come to you. Joy come to you. Courage come to you. Willpower come to you. Then why we become unhappy, sad, nervous, frustration? Due to your wrong way of thinking, analyzing to the material world. Start the day with the God. Fill the day with the God. And end the day with the God. And that is the way to the God. If you connect it with the source of joy, always Lord reside within you, then there is no time to feel worries. Worry called chinta. Chinta means thinking, not chinta, chintan. Chintan, analyze the inner self. Who am I? Who am I? I am the body, I am the mind, I am the emotion, I am the senses, I am the intellect, I am the ego, then who am I? We are concentrated too much external thing, bombarding that negativity and forget this body is a gift of the God. God gave this body. Everything possessed to the God. Peace with the God. Peace is joy. In this life, we have so much ambition, inspiration, desire, and so much wants, and constantly you're bombarding your mind negative stuff. You don't have space, emptiness to feel connected with the higher self. A sugar without a sweet, what you fetch? The fish cannot live without the water. Can fish live? And fish live, everything she performed. Fish has a family, he has husband, children, whole family. She procreates and everything. And she take the food from the water. The fish around in water. But the world instable. We are around with all negative things. So we don't know how to manage and listen the inner voice of yourself. Learn to realize I am that divine being and I have to have some special karma, special dharma. Always I tell, artha, kam, dharma and moksha. Remember the four words. Artha, kam. That you do. Kam means the desire. What kind of desire you have? When you don't feel your desire, because you need artha, means money, to perform your duty, your dharma. Artha kam, too you do. But you forget two important things, dharma and the moksha. You do things, you work, you get the money and fulfill desire. Constantly your cycle is going on. I want, I wish, to that calm action you perform. You do your dharma as a father, as a mother, as a brother, as a teacher, as a guru. What is the duty of tree? The mango tree every year come, life of tree to give fruits. And the fruit is sweet. Who put that sweetness in the tree? And the mango, who put mango sweet? The tree, life of tree is wonderful life. Don't expect anything. Giving. Even wood use come from the tree. The dharma do without expectation. But we do our karma, do our dharma, expect. But without expectation you do, and that help you. Do not expect. If you put a mango tree, you will not get a banana or orange, my dear friend. So good seed. Learn from the tree. The tree is connected with the earth. Their food comes from, they need the water, they need the air, they need the earth, they need the prana. The life of tree. Your life also just like a tree. But human being want and created that disharmony. What is your life? Life means jivan and mrutya means maran, birth and death. So artha, kam, dharma, moksha. Do your karma properly. To perform your duty, that is dharma, and you will get moksha, anubhuti. Lord Buddha is to call nirvana, free from all obstacle. Artha, kam, dharma, moksha. The purpose of human being, doesn't matter who you are, married, unmarried, Swami or householder, understand who is living you constantly. While you are sleeping, he gives the prana. In dream we had, who is in the dream? Why dream created? One beggar become a king in the dream. And when he wake up, he is the same person. So, man changing waking state and dreaming state and sleeping state. But what is most important, what you have within you, you don't know. Without that inner self, without the Atma, You cannot look, you cannot hear, you cannot listen, you cannot walk. Suppose I'm stop breathing right now, then what are we going to do my body? Maybe people cry, they like, poor Swamiji talking and suddenly they are breathing. Then what? My eye is there, ear is there, nose is there, mouth is, hand is there. Only one is not there. I'm not breathing. A breath means the prana, atma. And then what you do? Maybe you will take to burn the body. What is the body? 5 elements. We have water, we have earth, water, fire, ether. 5 elements go in the only state. But what never? Your Atma is there. So understand, this body is gift of God. And within the, not only body, your mind and your Atma, the soul, the spirit, the energy. Without that soul, we cannot do any perform. How much time we dedicate, understand yourself. Your problem is the biggest problem. No, my dear friend. If you constantly every day dedicate time for your understanding who is living within me, then unhappiness, sadness, nervousness will disappear automatically. When there is light, there is no darkness. Sun is coming, you don't have to put a light. But when the sun goes, you put the light in the night. Darkness needs the light. So light of joy, light of love, light of bliss. Put yourself. You should develop confidence, courage, willpower, all the wonderful things. The mind is a wonderful instrument. You cannot see the mind. You can touch the body. What is mind? We call mente in Spanish. Man. That mind we have using that machine. You mind think anger, worries, preoccupation. Mind manifests in that is oscillation. Just like you put a stone in the lake, oscillation take place. So their mind have manifest form of worries, anger, love, joy, happiness. The mind constantly changing. But can you hold the water in the hand? The water, can you hold the hand? You need the glass to collect the water. Ocean, lake, river, that water bring the energy. And that water connected the prana. Understand me what I'm talking. You have that faculty, higher faculty, cosmic faculty. You can do whatever you want to do. Use your mind. And always I say, transcend the tamasic mind. Tamasic, the low state of the mind. Then you enter the sat, rasic mind. Understand this Sanskrit word, rasic, tamasic. We play up the two train of thought. Sometimes you are in the tamasic. Tamasic thought, lower mind, worries, preoccupation, anxiety, frustration, this one, lot of problem. But and rasic, controlling, ego, dominating. My dear friend, learn how to enter state of sattva, harmony, tranquility, calmness, courage, willpower. Connected your higher self. When you are connected to pure self, your Atma, your mind in the bliss, my joy, happiness, contentment. Things don't come outside. We are frustrated to obtain material things that come. Sukh and dukh. constantly bombarding pain. Pain is the blessing. Because pain being pleasure and the pleasure being pain. Just like a day being night, night being night and day and night, two things. Coin has a two, plows with two, everything has a two. So that's why become one, both hands. That's what we call Namaste, Namaskar, Hari Om, both together. Increase. Together, union, separation, yoga, yoga. Understand the divine mystery. I can live with a life apart from so much difficulty and problem. Use your higher faculty and feel that invisible God live with me every moment, every second. But we totally disconnected our higher self. You can do as much as different type of yoga. You can do karma yoga, bhakti yoga, raj yoga, jnana yoga, kriya yoga. Yoga means union, translate yoga. But most important, the love of the God, that highest form of yoga. And that love always within you. You don't have any school, college, university how to love your mom. That invisible connection with you, connection with the God. That's why take your time little bit. Take your time. Omkaram bindu sayuktam niyanti dhyayanti yogina kamadam moksham chaivam omkare namo nama namanti risho deva namanti saragana nara namanti deva sha nakare namo nama Mahadevam Mahatmam Mahaparam Dhanayanam Mahapapaharam Devam Makare Nama Nama Shivam Shantam Jagannatha Lokanusakaranam Shivam Ekyam Nityam Nikare Nama Nama Vaham Rishive Vaha Lokanukaranam Vaham Rishav Yasha Vasuki Kantabhushanam Vame Shaktiram Deva Vakare Namo Namam Yatra Yatra Mito Deva Sarvyapi Maheshwara Yoguru Asra Devanam Vakare Namo Nama Namah Shivaya Namah Shivaya Namo Namah Shivaya Namo Nama Namah Shivaya Namo. If you know how to connect it with one's that higher self, then you will feel sorry, I had to drink agua, jal, pani. Don't worry, I don't have corona. I have karuna. Karuna and karuna. Something we try to find it outside. Take your time and analyze about your inner spiritual life. Everything will be changed. Everything will change. Your soul, your spirit, your Atma is very powerful. Atma and Paramatma, the individual soul, the cosmic soul. Where the prana is coming? Can we live without breath? The corona is nothing but prana. The toxin, the prana. So, take your time. Start the day. When you wake up, start the day with a pure thought. First thing, take the God and meditate first. Whole day do your action. But God give prana, live the spirit of divine. Every action what you are performing, you are instrument thy hand. Life will change, my dear. Before to sleep, emerge for a few seconds, the divine. Life will be changed. You don't have to go anywhere, no church, no synagogue, no temple. God, His body is a temple. The body is a church. God live every moment with us. If your mind is not pure, mind is not peaceful, I'm not guaranteed that going to temple you can get the God. The church you can get the God. One person called me and Swamiji, I want to go to India because India is a wonderful country. I said, go. Can you come with me? I said, I'm India. I was in India. Going any place, you don't take the mind. Doesn't matter you live in India, Africa, China, Russia, America, you go with the same mind. Change the quality of the mind. Not changing the body. Everywhere the prana is the same. Everywhere land, earth, nature, sun, moon, all the same. Change your mind, changing the place. I traveled more than 60 countries around the world. I was in Europe, Australia, Europe, many countries, Central America, South America, Latin America. Now I'm living in United States. Mind, same mind you travel. Doesn't matter you live in Trinidad, I live anywhere. Mind is most important thing. You go with the problem, live with the problem. The problem can solve where you live, follow the discipline. That's why always I tell, I don't know if you remember or not, discipline, devotion, determination, dedication and discrimination. Use the 5D. D for discipline. Anushashanam. Yoga Anushasana. That is a Patanjali Yoga Sutra. You must have discipline life. Discipline to eat, to look, to listen. What to see, what to listen, what to eat. What not to do, what to do. Discipline. Every day, then devotion, the love. Anything you do out of love, out of joy. Even the cooking, eating, walking, driving, out of joy, love. So D, discipline, D, devotion, determination, dedication and discrimination. Third D, dedication, determination, firmness. If you do one thing, do exactly that. Dedication for the good cause. And the discrimination called Viveka. I'm following the right path. That's why to complete that 5D, you need guidance of the Guru, the spiritual master. There are many commercial gurus everywhere. How to find the Guru? Who is Guru? Be a wonderful disciple. Disciple means who follow the discipline. Guru, the two words, who remove your limitation of mind, avidya, asmita. Guru, who remove darkness, your night. Selfless thing. And Guru is within you. Guru is not outside person. He guide through the Agya Chakra. You need the guidance of the Guru. I got my Guru 1960, Swami Siddhananda in my life. I met many Guru, many Swami around India. I travel everywhere. but I feel connection with that one, guide, inspiration, motivate, following the right path. And that right path, Guru help you. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Shakshan Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Guru Nama. Guru the Brahma, Guru the Vishnu, Shiva, cosmic being, and that Guru is within you. That's why, my dear friend, you are so wonderful people. I love you everyone. You people are very special for me because at least you're looking and listening me. I'm providing some food, spiritual food. It's up to you to follow or not. Like or dislike. But I know you cannot take a food without salt. If food is there, no salt, you need salt. If you want to drink the milk, you need the sugar. So put a sugar, put a salt in the milk, put spirituality in life. Every action you perform, you're teaching anything. Teacher teach, preacher preach, but Guru transmit from the heart. And that cosmic divine love. So discipline, follow, piety. Again I remember discipline, anushashan, devotion, determination, dedication, and discrimination. Changing the place. I was in Bolivia, India to Bolivia. It make a difference. But my Guru said, more you far, more you near. And more you near, more you far. I was not ready to go. But I understand. I am going with my karma, my dharma, my action. Then went to Peru, then Australia, then Bolivia, then come to Colombia, Santo Domingo, and Miami. Miami. Miami called Miami, means below. So that's why, where you are, go with this positive spirit. Develop confidence every day. Courage, tranquility, love, 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 love. Love without expectation. Be a tree, giving. Tree of orange, tree of mango, tree of banana. The vegetable where you get. You take all vegetable. This body is earth. This body predominate earth element because all the food come from the earth. You know, all the food. So we have earth. We cannot fly because we predominate earth element. The bird, they can fly because they air element. So earth, we need the water, we need the air, fire, and gravitation. We cannot fly. So that's why this body composed by element, we have the mind and we have soul. So find out which kind of yoga is best for you. Which kind of yoga? There are 4 kind of principal yoga that we teach. We call integral yoga. And I call common sense yoga. Karma yoga, yoga of action, dynamic temperament. If you're dynamic temperament, you should practice predominant karma yoga. Karma. Do your action. Don't expect the fruit. That's karma yoga. Put the mango tree and take care of the mango tree. You will get a mango. I always say the mango because I have 5 mango trees. I like the mango. If someone asks me, Swamiji, what kind of tree you want to be? I said, I will prefer to be a mango tree. So because I can give the mango, then people, they will be happy eating my fruits. So karma yoga, dynamic temperament. Second is bhakti yoga, emotional and devotional temperament. Most of the girl, mother, sister, they are emotional temperament. work from the heart. The predominating devotion. Every time Jamuna come to me, first he cry, 30 seconds he cry. She cry. Sitting next to me. Jamuna yoga is bhakti yoga. She cry 30 seconds. And then laugh 20 seconds. So that dynamic temperament, karma, emotional temperament, bhakti yoga. Rational temperament is Raj Yoga. Raja, king. Rational temperament, Raj Yoga. And last one, intellectual temperament, Jnana Yoga. Discovery of self. Who am I? What is the nature? Intellectual temperament, Jnana Yoga. Rational temperament, Raj Yoga. Jnana Yoga, intellectual temperament. Karma Yoga, dynamic temperament. Bhakti Yoga, emotional. So what is your predominant? Find out yourself. But every time personality change. Sometimes you're dynamic, some emotional, some intellectual, sometimes rational. So according to your temperament, practice Tattika Yoga. But what I say, common sense way, higher yoga, bhakti. Because everyone has a love for heart. We love everyone. Without this world is out of love. Without love we cannot survive. I love you, you love me. I know that. Love, bhakti is most important. To practice bhakti yoga more every second. Do mantra. 1976, how many years? I was in Colombia, Bogota. I arranged one retreat in Bogota, Colombia. Swami Satyananda, my guru, I invited him. 500 people in that retreat. And 500 retreat people, and he was giving classes, he was chanting. And he was chanting one mantra, Tero naam omkar, 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 Tu sat tu chit anand tu hi atma shiva paramatma, निराकार निर्विकार तेरो नाम ओमकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार, तेरो नाम ओमकार. So he was chanting that mantra. It was wonderful place. And there was big rain, big storm come. And some people are waiting to stop the rain. But funny thing, the area of our retreat, there's not a single drop of rain. People come and they dry. So outside where the retreat was there, no rain. I'm telling with the personal experience, powerful. When he say Tero Naam Omkar, the voice of Swami Satyananda, very powerful. Then not a single drop in that area where the retreat, and apart from that campus, lot of rain. Then people ask him, Swamiji, what you have done? You do miracle? You do something, magic? I said, no, only the love, only bliss, connected. Tero Naam means your name is infinite. You don't have name. You don't have form. You live everywhere. You live in the end. You live human being, animal being, living in the ocean, living in the inside land. Everywhere. God don't make Muslim, Hindu, Christian, Jews. Nothing do. Man created, I'm a Jew, I'm Muslim, I'm Hindu, I'm this. God don't make a religion. God is Tero Naam, you are infinite. And that retreat, 1970s, I can believe. And the funny thing, I invited and he attended that retreat, and most of the time, 3 days retreat, I was crying myself with the love and emotion. And he asked me, Pramodhanand, what kind of problem you have? I said, Swamiji, I don't have problem. Because each word touching my heart. And that bhakti, my nature is bhakti yoga. I'm emotional. So, I know retreat, connect to higher self, presence of the Divine Guru. I have done so many retreats everywhere. So, follow your path and follow that path. You will get where you want to go. Where we are coming, where we are going, we don't know. We come and where are we going? One day we born, one day we are to death. Don't fear for the death. Mrityu. One day you are going to die. I am going to die. But why the people fear for the death? Because people not seen the death. Once you never see, why you dead? Why you fear? Fearless, cheerful, happy, content, smiling, smiling and smiling. Every situation turn to life. Every situation try to laugh. Situation change. So, my purpose talking with you, free your mind. Naked mind. Naked means pure mind. What is naked? Nothing clothed. Let the mind become naked, pure mind. Be just like a children. Be just like a little baby. And that inner baby, the divine take you. You know, now I don't read too much. Before I used to read, I contemplate. Again, I tell you the 3 words in Sanskrit: Chita, Chinta and Chintan. Chita means dead body. When the person die, they burn in India, cremation they do. But as Swami, they don't cremation, that tradition. I don't know. So Chita, do dead body, called dead body. Chinta, worry, preoccupation, kill living body. The burn. You burn yourself, worries and preoccupation. To do not Chita, not Chintan, self-realization, Atma Anubhuti. Chintan, self-realize yourself. I am that Aham Brahmasmi. Take your time to think higher self, change the quality of life, be happy. Use your higher faculty. You have cosmic mind. Conscious, unconscious, subconscious, superconscious. Learn to go in superconscious, Chaitanya was superconscious state of mind, life will be changed. Bhakti yoga, practice every day. Mantra, kirtan, bhakti. Listen discourse of the great master and Swami. Following the teaching of the gurus and change the quality of life. So, I'm very happy again. I'm telling my happiness, don't count my word, my feeling. I get up this morning, 2:30 in the morning. I supposed to go at 4 o'clock. But my inner clock wake up and start doing my practices up to 6 o'clock. So, follow your discipline. Remember the 5-day I said: discipline, devotion, determination, dedication, discrimination, and change the quality of life. Life is joyful. Life is happy. Life is blessing. Pray with his family. Love with the family. You know, when we do the retreat, I have one practice I do. Go and hug the tree. I hug the tree. When you hug the tree, you say, My dear friend, I love you, I love you. And you can feel the tree's vibration. Tree don't criticize anyone. Tree give everything to you what you need. Tree, be a firm tree. The tree connected with the mother, earth mother, and give fruits to everyone. Be a firm tree. The tree in the forest, no one give the water. They survive. You got the water, you got the air, you got the food, you got the forest. Be a tree. I'm a mango tree. Be a tree of joy, tree of love, tree of happiness, tree of love, charity of love. Charity of, don't criticize and don't think, don't hate no one. Ego, less. Your ego is enemy. So be a tree, just like you learn from the tree. When you have a tree in the home, hug a tree. My dear friend, I love you. I love you. God will feel tree. God is there with the tree. That's why mango becomes sweet. Who put the sweetness? Always I say, you go coconut tree, bank of the ocean, and the coconut water is sweet. Who put the sweetness? Flower, different color of flower. We have output is wonderful. Now I have one person say hello, Hari Om to you. Jamuna Devi ji. She will say only 1 minute hello to everyone. Say hello to her. She was crying, but now she's laughing.
Hari Om. Hari Om.
Okay, now Ram and Rahim. Ram and Rahim, I like the name. I don't know. Ram and Rahim. RR. It's a wonderful name. You are a very wonderful person. You know, Muslim or Hindu, if a Muslim born, a Hindu born, Christian born, Jews born, their name is only nothing written in your body. I'm a Hindu, nothing written in my name in a Hindu. We are human being. Our love is same. But people say I'm Hindu, I'm Muslim, I'm Christian, I'm this, I'm this. No, you are nothing. You are universal being, brother and sister of this planet. God belong to no religion. Rama and Krishna not for Hindu. Jesus not from Christian. All religion, paths are different, goal is the one. Hello, Carmen Sita. Where you Amber now? Are you there?
Yes, Swamiji. You hear me?
Yes, I cannot see you.
Yeah. Amber went back to Germany.
No, she's here. She called me. She's in the Miami Beach.
Yeah. Well,
No.
Yes, she is.
She called me before leave to, when she leave, sitting the plane, she called me, Swamiji, I'm leaving Germany. She's a very sweet soul. That's why I give her Amrit. She's a nectar. Thank you. So, anyhow, Hari Om, thank you. His Holiness Devananda. One word, say the good word. One word, say the good word.
Connection.
Huh?
Connection.
Connection to the God.
Yes.
Disconnection to the external thing. Ram Rahim, one word.
Hari Om, Swamiji.
Hari Om. Karuna Devi, one word.
Gratitude.
Huh?
Gratitude. Agradecimiento.
Jennifer, one word.
Love.
Lilavati Devi, una palabra.
Friendship.
Lucrecia, una palabra, lindo, bonita.
Discrimination.
नागेन्द्रहाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्मांगरागाय महेश्वराय नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगंबराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय मंदाकिनी चंदनितादय नंदीश प्रभुनाथ महेश्वराय नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगंबराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय यक्षस्वरूपाय जटाधराय पिनाकहस्तनताय दिवाय देवाय दिगंबराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय मंत्र कॉल पंचाक्षरी मंत्र ऑफ लॉर्ड शिवा हरि ओम मंत्र श्री राम जय जय राम लॉर्ड रामा ओम कृष्णाय नमः लॉर्ड कृष्ण ओम नमो नारायण लॉर्ड नारायणाय डिवाइन मदर सरस्वती ओम नमो भगवते सरस्वती नमः ओम नमो भगवते महालक्ष्मी महाकाली God and Goddess Durga. Now next month very special day is coming, Diwali, October, and also Mother Navratri, Lord Divine Mother Durga. These are the festivity. Remember us, quality of the God and Goddess. So you graduated laughing yoga. That's why I see in the newspaper, Devananda. You got a title as a laughing yogi. Ramesh Yogi give a title to you.
No, I haven't been there yet.
Go mentally. You don't have any, just mentally go. Think. He's a good friend of mine. I know more than 25, 30 years to him. We used to work a lot of together. Yogi, Ramesh Yogi is a good person. So anyhow, "30 seconds left. I will sing one nice kirtan. प्रेम मुदित मनस कहो राम 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 कहो राम 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 पाप कटे दुख मिटे लेके राम नाम भव समुद्र सुकर नाव एक राम नाम कहो राम 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 कहो राम 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 परम शांति सुख निदान परम शांति सुख निदान एक राम नाम निराधार को आधार एक राम नाम राम 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 परम गुप्त परम इष्ट मंत्र राम नाम संत हृदय सदा बसत एक राम नाम महादेव सतत पता महादेव सतत दिव्य राम नाम काशी मत मुक्त करत करत राम नाम माता पिता बंधु सका सब ही राम नाम सब ही राम नाम भक्त जनन जीवन एक राम नाम कहो राम 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 कहो राम 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 कहो राम 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 कहो राम 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 प्रेम मुदित मनस कहो राम 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 कहो राम 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 You know, Ram. Reverse is Mara. Mara means die. Ram, salvation, nirvana, anubhuti. Sing any mantra from the heart. If you don't sing, sing your name and you will get peace and happiness. Life is a wonderful blessing. Enjoy and be happy. Give happiness, give peace, give joy. Don't say no honey, no money. Don't say the word no honey, no money. Honey means, I don't know. Be happy. My message today, do charity of good thought, charity of love, charity of courage, charity of willpower, confident. Put your mind, wonderful thing, and enjoy every moment. There is no space to think any negative. Learn to be peaceful and joyful. God is your best friend. Doesn't matter what name you give. God. Just be good. Be good and do good. Be humble, be simple. Give respect. Take the teaching of my Param Guru Swami Shivananda. He said, Ashtanga Yoga of Shivananda. This Ashtanga Yoga Patanjali. Ashtanga Yoga of Swami Shivananda. Be good, do good. Be humble, be simple. Give respect, take respect. Meditate, love, serve, give, and realize. That's the Ashtanga of Swami Shivananda. Swami Shivananda is an ocean of love, ocean of compassion. He was an Ayurvedic doctor. He gave Ayurvedic medicine. Still, we have Rishikesh Ayurvedic clinic, free clinic. Ayurveda is a great science for humanity. Ayurveda, the science of life. So, my message for you, love, cosmic divine love. Make the capsule of love and give everyone. There is no worries and preoccupation. No time to worry and thinking. Capsule of love, capsule of joy. 30 seconds left, my dear friend. I do Shanti part and go back to America. I make a lot of joke and I make to laugh everyone. Even I go to the market, I make them, I don't like someone cry. But they cry, I give good thought. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Sarvesham Sastir Bhotu Shantir Bhotu Purnam Bhotu Mangalam Bhotu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Om Triambakam Yamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Uruvarko Vandana Mrityor Mukshiyamamrita Om Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Bandhu Cha Sakha Tvameva Vidya Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Om Naham Karta Harihi Karta Naham Karta Gurudeva Karta Kevalam Om Satyam Saranam Gacchami Yogam Saranam Gacchami Sangam Saranam Gacchami Buddham Saranam Gacchami Om Sarvamangala Mangale Sive Sarvata Sadhake Sarvetram Gauri Narayane Namastute Om Shanti Shanti Hari Om Tassat Hari Om. Thank you. Muchas gracias. Muchas veces.